There we go. Okay, now we're recording. Today is August, what is this? August 23, 11:23 in the morning. I'm handing this camera to my boss. Alright, so pointed on the box there, just to show them what there's two radios in the box. This is a 5100, which is the beige model. This is the 5105, and this is another 5105 right here. Okay, and I'm in a hurry because my boss is here and he has to work on me, so I'm going to show you how I've been wrapping these up. I just got this pretty well flattened out. Okay, there we go. So we're going to get this. We're doing this inside because it's been for the past several weeks. Been over 100 degrees. And he came here and anyway, so great. So I've already put, oh here, I'll show this. I already have a power cord inside of all the other two, but there's the power cord, right? So great. So now we just throw this around here, right? Throw that around there. Throw this around here. Okay. This doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to put more bubble wrap inside here, but just this is there to hold that. I'm shooting this video with a Canon SX-160. I'm going to put another layer of bubble wrap around this, and like that. Put this around here. Okay. Great. So like that. Get some more bubble wrap on this, and just. Great. Fabulous. There we go. So now, we've already pre-measured the box to fit 3 of these. Now, here. This is the back, because there's the handle. It's folded to the back. So we're going to put the back to the outside of the box. We're going to put the inside facing the already boxed model here. Just let that nicely fall down in there. As you can see, that's very not going to move, and we will finish. Just show them inside the box. That's really not going to go anywhere, and this is inside a cardboard box. Its form fits to that perfectly, and this will close. But we'll put some more bubble wrap on the top. There's already one layer of these on the bottom. Okay, and he's got a. I gotta go. Give me the camera. Gotta go. We gotta finish this. There's the boss. Alright, so 3 minutes. Alright, so I gotta finish this. Hopefully package this up today and get out of here. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. This will be on your way. Douglas. You know who you are, Douglas. Good day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.